What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and how it was the #1 trending Inu token in the month of November, meaning that it actually surpassed Dogecoin in the number of searches over the month of November. Now, if you see the price action overall, the last few days to pretty much few weeks has been pretty much on a steady decline, but it looks like right now what we're trying to establish is a level of support. Right around 42,000 Satoshi units is kind of where we're finding support. So for those of you who always ask, what are good entry points for SHIB? Do I buy now, at all-time highs? People were asking me those questions, and I'm like, listen, if you're here for a short term, then always consider buying on red days, not green. It's that simple. But in addition, I like to always preface by saying I'm not a financial advisor, but just trying to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. Right around 42,000 Satoshis, right now we're at 43. That's what we can consider a decent buying opportunity if we hold support there yet again. Based off pure technical analysis and looking at previous trends, we can assume what the chart is going to do now. And you guys can see with all the issues with the rug pulls and all these just negative sentiments around the meme token space or more speculative token space, it's been pretty rough. So what we always need to ensure is we invest into things that we truly do believe in, that have strong development teams, that have clear roadmaps, that do lock their liquidity. Just, again, some overt things that we need to look for that are not very easy to hide. And I will dedicate a video to that on another time. But again, for SHIB, what we always need to focus on is what is next for this crypto asset. And I know really, regardless of where we find support, the end goal for SHIB is seeing some of these zeros coming off, seeing a market cap that is in the top 3 crypto assets in the market. But let's go ahead and dive into an article that I think kind of highlights some really key points for Shiba Inu token. Before I dive in, I do want to mention, of course, free money opportunities for you guys. There's a link in the description below for Moomoo. Just like Webull, Moomoo is now an official partner and affiliate of this channel, and they're offering everybody who uses my link in the description 5 free stocks when they deposit any amount of money into a Moomoo brokerage account, meaning each free stock is actually valued at $3,500 or up to $3,500. So you can be one of the lucky few that gets that amount. But regardless, everyone gets 5 free stocks for following the steps after you click the little get free stocks button when you click the link in the description. So please, I want to see somebody get $17,500. That'd be absolutely amazing. So I want to continue to see wonderful success with you all. So make sure you check out that link. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, the most searched cryptocurrencies on Google USA during the month of November. Alright, my apologies. Earlier in the video I said Shiba Inu was the #1 searched dog token. Well, guess what? The most searched crypto assets on Google during the month of November were both Doge and SHIB. Whoever thinks that meme cryptocurrencies are useless at this point might want to revise their expectations. A more recent study suggests that much in the United States, people are interested in puppy-themed meme tokens, right, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, than in the big serious projects that claim to be a financial revolution. Although Bitcoin and Ethereum occupy about or more than 60% of the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies during 2021, Doge and SHIB have won the hearts of Americans, trending in 30 out of the 50 states here in the US. So if you could look at this map here, you could see SHIB is trending in Texas, Wyoming, California, Nevada, Washington, New York, South Carolina, and you can see Doge is all over the map as well. So the reality is, folks, I made a statement earlier this year, and I said you have 2 choices. You could sit on the sideline and continue to call these tokens memes, or you can realize that community-driven assets do have a place in our market. Because if it's something that is accepted by the community, guess what? We'll start seeing utility in terms of being able to spend your SHIB at different retailers, at different e-commerce venues, at different applications all over. So once the quicker that people start realizing that we don't have to really worry about these tokens that are trying to be a part of the financial revolution, because guess what? SHIB, Doge, and other tokens that are considered memes are also going to be a part of this movement and shift from fiat currency to digital assets. So again, please, I ask you to do one thing, and that is always do your research. Do your DD, your deep dive, your due diligence, whatever DD you want to do. to ensure that you're not a product of just, another token, just another rug pull. That's not the kind of thing I want to talk about. And again, I promise I will dedicate a video, hopefully tomorrow morning, before I start the day even, in how to kind of watch and get away from those kind of tokens that will potentially ruin everything for you. Take every dollar that you have. So I really do appreciate everybody's love and support. And if you want to make sure you're part of an investment community that you can at least run things by to say, hey, what do you guys think of this token or that token? Consider joining the Patreon in the link below. Again, it's a space for all investors to come in and discuss all things cryptocurrency. And also, in addition, anytime I have a new buy alert, I make sure to alert everybody on the Patreon and the YouTube channel members first and foremost before ever sending it out anywhere else. Thank you all so much for your continued support. I do appreciate you all. It is a very late night over here, so I'm gonna head off to sleep. But tomorrow morning, I'll be back with that rug pull related video to hopefully protect one another from it. That's all I have for you guys tonight. And until next time, everybody, you know what to do. Keep investing safely. Peace.